Hi, this is Miss McPhee, and this is for my Math 6 classes. It is Thursday, March 21st, 2019. Reminder, we have our quiz tomorrow on dividing fractions, and this is our weekly homework due tomorrow. I did look at the shoebox, and the suggestion that I pulled was to do the last problem. So I'm guessing they mean this question on volume of prisms. So I'm going to fold this paper down so you can see my work. This is two different questions. The first one is actually more of a review from our first unit on geometry. The storage box has a volume of 56 cubic inches, and the base of the box is 4 inches by 4 inches. So that means this is the length and this is the width, and this is our volume. What is the height of the box? So we know that volume is length times width times height, and we're going to substitute what we know. We know the volume is 56. We know the length and the width. So we have 4 times 4 times our height. So we have 56 equals 16 times our height. And we've been working on how multiplication equations and division equations are related. Our division equation, therefore, is that the height is the volume, 56, divided by what we already know, which is the length and the width. And a division problem is also a fraction. So I'm just going to write this as 56 over 16, and I'm going to look to simplify. I can divide both of these by 8. And if you want to divide first by 2 or by 4, that's fine. If I do divide by 8, 56 divided by 8 is 7, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. So the height is 7/2 inches, or if you want to write that as a mixed number, it would be 3.5 inches for the height. The second question says the teacher is going to fill this box, which we know is 56 inches cubed, and she's going to fill it with some smaller cubes that are each 1/2 inch on each side. So we need to find the volume of that really small cube that she's going to put inside the storage box. So we need to multiply our length times our width times our height, which means the volume of those small cubes are 1/8 inches cubed. I have my entire box, and I want to know how many of the small cubes are going to fit, so I need to divide. 56 divided by 1/8. And then you have your choices. You could multiply by the reciprocal, or you can get your common denominator. Both of those strategies are going to work. For this problem, I'm just going to multiply by my reciprocal. 56 times 8 over 1. And when I multiply those together, I get 448 over 1, which means I would have 448 of those little cubes to fit inside my storage box. I hope that helps. Reminder, we have our quiz tomorrow. I did put the answer key for the review sheet on Canvas if you want to look that over. And I will see you then. Bye, everybody.